Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet, tap Add to Wallet, and now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Now let's select Loyalty Card, and now select card you would like to add to your account, for example, Payback Poland. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Done, Add to Wallet, and it's set. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, tap Add to Wallet, and it's done. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.